Hello dear students, hope you all are in the pink of health. Today we are going to learn calligraphy. Calligraphy basically is a visual art related to writing. It teaches us to write beautifully. Today we will learn some basic strokes and uppercase alphabets. For this I am using brushed pens. You can use sketch pens, pencil or any other pen also. So let's start. While doing calligraphy, our upstrokes should be light. And downstrokes should be heavy. First of all, we have to practice for upstrokes and downstrokes. Let's start A. Start from here, a curve, upstroke, so it should be light. Now downstroke, so it should be dark. Make a curve like this. You can decorate it in your own way. B. For B, start from here. It's a downstroke, so it should be heavy. Make a curve like this. Then start from here. While coming down, your stroke should be heavy. C. Start from here, make a curve like this. While coming down, the stroke should be heavy. Now D. Start from here, downstroke, so it will be heavy. Now make a curve like this. We are going up, so the stroke will be light like this. For writing E, start from here, make a curve like this. As we are going up, so the stroke will be light. Now as we are coming down, so the stroke will be heavy. F. For writing F, make a downstroke from here, a curve like this, then draw a curved line here, another line like this. For writing G, start from here, make a curve. We are going upward, so it is light. As we are coming down, so the stroke will be dark like this. As again we are going up, and now we are coming down, so it will be heavy. Again we are going up, so it will become lighter. For writing H, start from here, while coming down the stroke will be heavy. Now draw a line from here. As you're going up, so the stroke will be heavy, light. Now we're coming down, it will be dark like this. I. For writing I, start from here, a sleeping line, a slanting line. As we're going up, so it will be light. Now we are coming down, so the stroke will be heavy, a curve like this. J. J is also like I. Make it as we have made I. Downstroke will be darker, a curve like this. Let's write K. start from here. Like this, the downstroke will be heavy. Again we are coming down, so the stroke will be heavy. Like this. For K, start like this. Upstroke will be light, downstroke will be heavy, like this. Make a curve from here. It is again downstroke, so it is dark. L, start from here. Upstroke is light and downstroke is dark. For writing M, start from here like this. As they are going up, so the stroke will be light. When we are coming down, it will be dark. Again we are going up and again we are coming down. N, N is also like M. While going up, the stroke will be light. While coming down, it will become dark. Again we are going up. O, while coming down, the stroke will be lighter. While going up, it becomes dark. Like this. For writing P, make a downstroke. It will be dark. A curve. Then again a curve from here. While coming down, the stroke will be heavy. Q, Q is also like O. A round, a curve like this, and here also a curve. R, make a downstroke like this, then start from here, a curve like this. While coming down, it should be dark, and a slanting line, a curve. For S, make a slanting line. It's going upward, so it will be light. A curve. While coming down, it should be dark, like this. While coming down, it should be again dark. T, start from here. Downstroke will be heavy. U, a curve from here. Downstroke will be heavy. Upstroke light. Again downstroke heavy. V, a curve from here. Downstroke. Upstroke is lighter, like this. W, again a curve. Downstroke is lighter. Downstroke is dark. Upstroke, again downstroke, upstroke, a curve. X, here we require two curves. Downstroke, so it should be heavy. We are going up, again down, so the downstroke will be heavy. Y, a curve, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, a curve. Y, make a curve like this, downstroke, upstroke, again downstroke and upstroke. Y. For writing Z, make a curve from here, downstroke, again it is downstroke, so it will be heavy. Now upstroke will be lighter. Thank you very much.